Subdongs, this is the vivo Y02s. One of the Vivo's new smartphone na I think is dapat ninyong i-consider. Lalo na sa mga naghanap ng quality budget smartphones. From what I heard, it's a slim yet powerful device and I can't wait to test it out and might try ito personally. So, sa video na ito, i-share ko sa inyo yung first impressions natin towards this phone. And syempre, let's start this with an unboxing. Outside of the box, we see the Vivo logo, Y02s model unit name sa top. Sa side naka-indicate na it's a 3GB plus 32GB variant. Sa likod naman ng box naka-indicate yung main features, which is later on pag-uusapan natin, and yung quick specifications. Anyways, let's unbox this na. Upon opening the box, we see the Vivo Y02s unit itself, wrapped in a matte plastic cover, which is pag-uusapan natin maya-maya lamang. Then, andyan yung documentation and the quick start guide. Meron na rin tayong charging brick, and surprisingly, a USB-C cable. Of course, di mawawala yung SIM ejector pin natin dyan. Alright, that's for the unboxing. Let's head on to our Vivo Y02s unit na. Upon removing the matte plastic cover, kitang-kita ko kagad yung kinang. And as I hold the phone, it feels very premium dahil sa flat edges nito. Moreover, looking at the back of the Vivo Y02s, makikita natin yung solid camera module and again, talagang takaw tingin yung trendy color nito. Buhay na buhay at very vibrant ang pagka-blue. Aside from that, napaka-minimalist and clean looking rin ito. Also, thank you Vivo dahil meron na tayong pre-installed na screen protector sa ating Vivo Y02s. Okay, pag-usapan natin yung pinaka-build. Sa taas ng device, andyan yung SIM tray. It's a dual nano SIM and may slot rin sa micro SD card for further storage expansion. Sa kaliwa, walang kahit nano. Sa kanan, andyan yung volume rocker and yung power button. And sa baba naman, andyan yung ating speaker grill, USB-C charging port, microphone, and the headphone jack. Alright, iset up na natin yung device. And since this is my first time getting my hands to this phone, more on first impressions lang talaga yung mga sasabihin natin sa video na ito. Before we proceed, eto nga pala yung full specifications netong Vivo Y02s. So, first boot up of the device, no issues or whatsoever sa pag-setup. I even set a facial recognition para sa security and nakakamangha na ang advance and quick nito. I was prompted kagad about the software update and for me, that's commendable dahil it shows na meron tayong software support from its developers. Now since naka-FunTouch OS 12 itong Vivo Y02s, may mga recommended services and apps kaagad tayo na pwede nating i-consider optionally. For me, I started fresh para mas maitest natin ang full potential. So far, I was able to install apps and games na walang kahirap-hirap. This device is expandable naman via external micro SD card, kaya if you have more files na need mo i-access sa Vivo Y02s, there will be no problem. Again, since this is just a first impression, marami pa tayong dapat i-test, which is i-share ko sa inyo sa ating full review for this phone. Basing again sa specifications na ipinakita natin kanina lang, 5,000 mAh ang battery nito, naka MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core processor na rin, 6.51 inches HD plus Halo Fullview ang display, and meron din siyang USB Type-C. Yan ang mga itatackle natin sa upcoming full review para mas lalo ko pang ma-share sa inyo yung full experience by using the Vivo Y02s. Na-impress talaga ako sa build, sa vibrancy, sa trendy colors niya, camera module na ang angas ng dating, and ang pinakamalupit dito guys no, makakuha nyo lang po ito sa price na 6,499 pesos. Check nyo lang po guys yung description natin below for more details about the Vivo Y02s. And that was our unboxing and first impressions of the Vivo Y02s. Sana nagustuhan nyo, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down there in the comment sections below. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, please do hit the like button, and of course syempre guys, mag-follow or mag-subscribe po kayo dito sa ating channel para updated po kayo sa mga content na ina-upload natin. Ako si John F. Dong and see you sa next video. Kita-kits mga dongs!